how to get predictable and consistent traffic. And interestingly, about 7 years ago, I taught this in a live workshop about strategic traffic. And right now, what has changed? Well, you know the answer, AI. While the strategies may still be the same, in fact, it is still the same, the foundation of it, but the tactical approaches are very different right now. In fact, with AI, you can leverage on the 3 A's: automation, amplification, and acceleration. And that's what I'll be teaching in the traffic architecture workshop. Now, if you want to master strategic traffic like what I've taught 7 years ago, well, you can enjoy watching this video that I've recorded in the past. Now, however, keep in mind that I may look a little bit different because this is about 7 years ago. And if you want to check out my upcoming workshop, feel free to check the link somewhere in this video or on the webpage where I'm posting this. So what we do is that we're going to focus on traffic. Traffic as in like, how do you get website visitors to your website? Now, when we talk about traffic, the best way of getting traffic is by producing content. So it is something that you cannot avoid. You need content in order for you to get traffic. So you must understand that. So why do I bring this up? Because some people say that, I'm not ready to have my own product. I want to be an affiliate marketer. I want to do this. I want to do that. I just want to sell services to local businesses or anything and so forth. Well, you still need content. What I'm doing is that I'm telling you what works. That is my job. Whether you want to accept that or not, it's up to you. Don't waste your time trying to create traffic or to generate traffic in that sense. The whole strategy here, it's how you tap on someone else's traffic. So this is where I explain to you the difference being tactical or being strategic. Right? To be strategic is that I locate the source of the traffic and then I find tactical approach to tap on that traffic source. Once you understand this game, every time you want to get traffic, it's very easy for you to go to the so-called the drawing board and see, hey, who has my traffic right now? And that's where I'm going to go ahead and get it from. And all of the strategies of the traffic generation methods that I'll be teaching you in these 2 days are based on this foundation. Where are the traffic? And let's go and get it. And the third point is this. The only traffic that counts is targeted traffic. No other traffic matters. You're not worried about the cost. You're more concerned on whether this traffic converts or not. So as a marketer, we are focused on having targeted traffic because we know targeted traffic will be able to generate income for us because it's fall back to point number one, that the traffic is one of the components of a marketing campaign. So if you understand you have a marketing campaign, you drive targeted traffic to your marketing campaign, you make money. So we're in the business of conversion. We're not in the business of generating traffic, so to speak. So once you get this done, right, you figure out how much money can you make for your marketing campaign. And then you see your cost of acquisition for that traffic to come in. And that is where you have a system. That's how I build my business. And again, I'll be sharing with you the traffic system. And lastly, a good traffic source has these 3 key factors. Unlimited, it's scalable, and within control. Now, preferably, the traffic source has 3 of that, but you can't have 3 of that all the time. So let me explain to you what do I mean by that. What do I mean by this? And why it's important for you to know that? Because if a traffic source doesn't have any of this ingredient, you should not even spend a single minute on it. Right? Because if you're spending time on those, it means you're being very tactical. So first is unlimited. Unlimited means that, let's say if you start to get traffic from this traffic source, let's say your marketing campaign is deployed and you're driving traffic from here and it works. It means that this traffic source will not finish. It will always be there. I mean, in theory, it's unlimited. The traffic source cannot finish, cannot end visitors. They'll always have visitors to that traffic source. The next one is always scalable, which is when you deploy a marketing campaign and with X amount of traffic, you can make money, you can break even, you're able to drive more traffic to your marketing campaign so that you can scale your business. And lastly, it must be within control. What is within control? It means that if you want the traffic right now, you can get it. If it's not within control, for instance, SEO is not within control, right? SEO will give you unlimited traffic because every day there will be someone searching for that stuff, but it is not scalable and it is not within control, right? So I don't deal with SEO traffic in that aspect. But if you know SEO or if your website do get ranked, fantastic. I'm not saying that don't do it. I'm saying that, if you have that, figure that out. If you crack the code, use it. If your website by default is getting traffic from SEO, perfect. Wonderful. It's amazing traffic because it falls into point number 3 because it's highly targeted traffic. So if you understand these 4 points, then you can start doing what we call traffic generation. Then you have a clear cut where you should get your traffic from. You have a clear cut where, or should I say, how you should get your traffic. So a newbie, a rookie will just go through some traffic courses. Oh, here are 10 ways to get traffic. And they just use all of those because they don't have the foundation. Their concept is they throw something on the wall and see what sticks. Whatever sticks, they say, yeah, that's good. No, we don't do that kind of methods. All right, because we are here to build a business. And if you're going to build a business, you should be able to control your traffic. We use other type of paid traffic, but we find that Facebook is so far is one of the best for now. I use the word for now because this is a very subjective thing because paid traffic is the strategic aspect of that. Facebook ads is the tactical aspect of it, which means today is Facebook ads. Tomorrow, it could be Twitter ads. The next day, it could be Google AdWords and so forth. These change. Strategy don't change. Tactics change. Tactics are changed to adapt to your current situation, the current circumstances, and so on. So we use Facebook ads is because if we look back here, it has all these 3 key factors. It's unlimited. You never run out of traffic from Facebook because there are billions of people there. It's highly scalable. If your ad campaign is working, you can scale up your ads, creating more ad sets, increasing your budget, launching new campaigns, and so forth. And it's within control. As long as you're willing to pay, Facebook say you can have as much of traffic that you want. Every single of your potential customers are already inside Facebook, just so you know. So it will be foolish to say, after you learn about Facebook and then someone say, hey, what is the other methods? You'll be foolish because I've just given to you the method that works. I've just given to you the source for all the traffic that you need, right?